Hello, welcome to how to solve this exponential equation. 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 5. First of all, we shift this plus x to the right side. 2 to the power x is equal to 5 and this plus x becomes negative x at right side. Next we divide both sides by 2 to the power x. At left side divided by 2 to the power x and right side divided by 2 to the power x. This 2 to the power x will be cancelled with this 2 to the power x and here left 1 is equal to 5 minus x times this 2 to the power x can be written as 2 to the power negative x. 2 to the power negative x. Now we want to use here Lambert W function. That is, if we have a times e to the power a and we apply here Lambert W function, we get a. It means anything times e to the power that thing, and we apply this Lambert W function, we get that thing. And to apply Lambert W function here, we must have same thing here as here. But now here we have 5 minus x and here we have negative x. To make this negative x same as this 5 minus x, we multiply both sides 2 to the power 5. At right side multiply by 2 to the power 5 and at left side multiply by 2 to the power 5. Next, 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32 and 32 times 1 32 is equal to 5 minus x times, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We can write this 2 to the power negative x times 2 to the power 5 as 2 to the power 5 minus x. Now we have here 5 minus x and same here 5 minus x. But to apply here Lambert W function, we must have e here. Now we have here 2 and according to the natural log rule, e to the power ln of a is equal to a. It means e to the power ln of anything is equal to that thing. According to this rule, e to the power ln of 2 is equal to 2. So we replace this 2 with this e to the power ln of 2. Like this, 32 is equal to 5 minus x times, we replace this 2 by this e to the power ln of 2. E to the power ln of 2 to the whole power, this power 5 minus x. Next, 32 is equal to 5 minus x times, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m to the whole power n is equal to a to the power m times n. This power ln of 2 will be multiplied by this power 5 minus x. Like this, e to the power ln of 2 times 5 minus x. Now we have here power ln of 2 times 5 minus x. To make this 5 minus x same as this, we multiply both sides by ln of 2. Like this, 32 times ln of 2 is equal to ln of 2 times 5 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 5 minus x. Now we have same thing here, ln of 2 times 5 minus x and same here power of e, ln of 2 times 5 minus x. We can apply here now Lambert W function. So we apply Lambert W function on both sides. W function of 32 times ln of 2 is equal to W function of ln of 2 times 5 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 5 minus x. Next, W function of 32 times ln of 2 is equal to, according to Lambert W function, a times e to the power a is equal to a. So from here, ln of 2 times 5 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 5 minus x. We get ln of 2 times 5 minus x. ln of 2 times 5 minus x. Next, we divide both sides by ln of 2. Left side divided by ln of 2 and right side divided by ln of 2. This ln of 2 will be cancelled with this ln of 2, and here left 5 minus x is equal to W function of 32 times ln of 2 divided by ln of 2. Now to find the value of x, we shift this negative x to the left side and this whole thing to the right side. This negative x becomes positive x at left side is equal to 5, and this whole expression becomes negative at right side minus W function of 32 times ln of 2 divided by ln of 2. This is the final value of x, and if we put this value in the Lambert W function calculator, five minus Lambert W function of 32 times ln of 2 divided by ln of 2, we get this value 1.71561. That can be rounded off to 1.716. X is equal to 1.716. This is the approximate value of x.